Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a microSD card at a Poco X3. So first of all, we need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, or it should be part of the box if you have put it back after inserting the SIM card. And in this box you will find another yellow box, and if you turn the yellow box to open it, then the SIM ejection tool should be here. So just remove it like this then again. Yeah, otherwise if you don't have it anymore, maybe you could use also the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. On the first position, you will have always the SIM card. And on the second position, you can decide between a second SIM card or a microSD card. In case you have a second SIM card here at this place, you cannot add a microSD card. So you have to decide between. And yeah, let me show you how you can insert a microSD card on that place. It looks like this. Please take care that the tiny SIM card doesn't jump out. So at the end it looks like this then. And the contacts are below. Okay, and your construction you put back into the phone like this. And it's done. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos, or you can just subscribe me if you want. Would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.